Yak Back Pack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Back Pack. Look at all of these gingerbread houses. Let's smash them. Smash, smash, smash. What did we find? We found a star. We found a star. We smashed the house and found a star. Which house should we smash next? Smash, smash, smash the house. What was inside? Oh, it was a sponge. A sponge. Sponge. A sponge. Okay, which house should we smash next? Smash, smash, smash. We found a straw. A strawberry. 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 We found a strawberry in the smashed house. Let's smash another house. Smash, smash, smash. What did we find? Oh, we found a rose. Let's smell, smell, smell the rose. Smell, smell, smell the rose. Smell. Okay, let's smash, smash, smash the gingerbread house. Smash, smash, smash. What did we find? We found a small turtle. Small. Look how small that is. Small, small, small. It's so small. It's so small. Look how small. That turtle is small. Okay, let's smash last house. Smash, 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 smash the house. We found a spoon. Spoon, spoon, spoon. We found a spoon. Smash, 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 smash. Bye-bye.
Yak Back Pack.